नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, Assistant Professor of FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Ethics, Nursing of Ethics. Ethics refer to well-based standard of right or wrong that prescribe what human to do, usually in term of right, obligation, benefit to society, fairness, or specific virtue. Example, ethics refer to those standards that impose the reasonable obligation to refrain from rape, stealing, murder, assault, or slander and fraud. Ethical standards also include those that enjoying virtue of honesty, compassion, and loyalty. And ethical standards include standards relating to right, such as the right of life, the right to freedom from injury, and right to privacy. Refer to the study and development of one's ethical standard that came from Greek word of ethos, which means moral duty. Provide the standard that govern human conduct. Study of good life. Study how people make judgment in right to right or wrong to wrong. Is about making choice that are best for the individual or society at certain time and in particular situation and the evaluating such choice and outcome. When singular, it also known as moral philosophy, a field of philosophy that deal with the study of the moral values of human conduct and the rules and principles that taught to govern it. Ethical theory and moral philosophy refer to philosophical reflection or when we speak of morality, nature and function. Purpose of theory to enhance clarity, systematic order and precision of argument in our thinking about morality pertain to social, religious, or civil code of behavior that is considered correct for that of particular group, profession, or individual. It also refers to moral fitness of a decision or course of action. Foundation of a caring ethical person, the experience of a solid bonding between child and parents. Foundation of biotech, bioethics is very nature of human being. Each individual is born in love with love and by love. Basically, we tend to do good and right things from birth until such time that other influence drive us to evil and wrong act. The experience of the past predicts the event of the future. As human beings, we are molded by everything we have experienced in our life. Morals are a specific way of behavior or accomplish ethical practice, fundamental standard of right and wrong, learned and internalized in early childhood, often based on religious belief. Moral virtue, justice, temperature, fortitude, or prudence. Morality derived from Greek word moralis, which refer to social conscience about moral conduct for human being and society. Refer to social convenient about right and wrong human conduct that are so widely shared that they form a stable communal conscience in a certain population or in certain specific society. Refer to behavior in accordance with custom and tradition and usually reflect personal and religious belief. Address to question of right and what is wrong. Human tendency, right or wrong, good or evil, proper or improper, cruel or benevolent act are explained in the term of mortality. Element determining morality, object that act itself. Example, to end the life of fetus is object of the abortion. To end the life of terminally ill patient is the object of euthanasia. And purpose, intention, motive or reason. Without and the act will not be carried out at all. Circumstance, the accidental aspect surrounding the act include time, place, mean to the act. Human act, action that are deliberated and involve the use of human intellect and reason. Act on of man, action that doesn't involve the use of intellect and free will. These actions are done unconsciously and without reason. Example, an insane person who attacks a nurse cannot be held liable for the action. Moral or ethics. Principle and rules of right conduct, ethics, formal reasoning process used to determine right conduct, private and personal होता है moral में. Moral commitment to principle and value are usually defended in daily life. Ethics, professionally and publicly stated inquiry or study of principle, process of question and perhaps changing one's moral. Con- conscience, consciousness of a anterior court of justice of man, inner voice, an innate faculty that tend to act toward something that is good, proper, and useful self and others. Suppression of libido fluid. Conscience formation start from the moment that child is conceived in the word of the mother, free from factor. What constitute the pre-forma factor? The parents' relationship with each other, the quality of the conjugal relationship is very important in the shaping of the child's innate positive traits. Quality of sensory stimulation received in infancy and childhood. The process of consciousness formation is shaped by event and people and by an individual response to them. Birth to 6 years of age, the time of remote preparation of moral action during which the child consequently develops an attitude toward authority, law, and life. The reaction of the parents to the child's behavior serve as a conscience for the child, revealing the acceptability of naughtiness of certain act. 6 to 7 year old age of reason, child exhibit concern for knowing the rightness or wrongness of thing, generally given programmed instruction in a particular symptom of value in daily life. 9 to 10 years, the child's con- con- unconscious and in instinctive behavior pattern among his playmates and peer group contracted those learned at home, forcing the child to think and raising conformity to value from automatic reflex to conscious obedience. 12-year of old, capable of some discrimination between right or wrong, capable of making some autonomous decision. Child morality is only particularly conscious and it is a participation in the morality of others. Adolescents, chiefly preoccupied with personal and subjective moral value, greatly concerned about social justice, right of the individual, and will devote great energy to a cause that capture his idealism and imagination. need to grow towards autonomy in order to establish a unique and independent person before parents and peer rebellion. Adulthood has assumed responsibility not only for action but for the self, has understanding of morality, has subjective norm of his action, can read the exigency of situation accurately, respond consistently with love and generosity. The speed with which the development of conscious and accomplice depend upon the child autonomy, native intelligence, emotional control, self-image and moral instruction, quality and variety of experience. Some specific expense that can add in the gradual rationalization of behavior area, opportunity of choice, experience of different level of law, experience of deception, a discovery of failure and weakness in the whom one depend. The ethical principle: autonomy, independence, self-determination, self-reliance, justice, fairness of quality, fidel- fidelity, faithfulness, striving to keep promise, beneficiency, actively seeking benefit, promotion of good, non-maleficence, actively seeking to, to, to do no harm. Icon Code of Ethics. The International Council of Nursing Code for Nurse is similar to the foundation of ANA Code. It speaks to responsible of nurse to other people to practice society, co-worker and to other profession as a whole. ICN Code for Nurse ethical concept applied to nursing. The fundamental responsibility of the nurse is fourfold: to promote health, to prevent illness, to restore health, and to alleviate suffering. Need for nursing is universal, inherent in nursing in respect for life, dignity, and right of man. It is unrestricted by consideration of nurse and people. The nurse primarily responsible to those people who require nursing care. The nurse is providing care, promote an environment in which the value, custom, spiritual belief of the individual are respected. The nurse hold in confidence personal information and use judgment in sharing this information. The earlier term of patient has been replaced by that of people, which make these responsibilities much broader. A code guide the nurse in two general areas of ethical behavior towards being served. First person value, custom and religion belief must be respected. Second person information about the person must be held in confidence or shared only with judgment. The nurse carried personal responsibility of nursing practice and the maintaining competence by continual learning. The nurse maintained the highest standard of nursing care possible within the reality of specific situation. The nurse used judgment in relation and to individual competence when accepting and delegating responsibilities. The nurse, when acting in a professional capacity, should at all time maintain standard of professional conduct which reflect carried upon the profession. The nurse share with other citizens and the responsibility for initiating and supporting action to meet the health and social need for the public. The code states that responsibility of the nurse for positive promotion of health for the public by both initiating and supporting action to meet the health and social need Social needs are important because they are often closely related to the health need, to the need of the people. Poor housing, unemployment, poor sanitation, malnutrition, or illiteracy are thought as a social need only. Thank you.